Hi guys, welcome to All Things Venus. This is Aishwarya. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe because you're going to be finding a lot of things about beauty, cosmetics, hair, a little bit about my dog. Wundibori. Yes, I love you too. So this channel is mainly beauty and astrology. What, baby? Sit down. Lie down. Good boy. Say hi to Krish. Yes, baby, I love you. So as you know from the title, I'm actually traveling. I'm going to Vizag and I'm going to be packing. I have like a lot of new products pulled out. I will test them out, and once I come back, I will let you know their performance. And I have plans of shooting vlogs, so let's see how it goes. For now, I'm going to share my thought process of how I pack and unpack. Like, I have all these small things from Minoso. You can this is spill proof. You can put your serum in this. This is really good for like putting your jewelry and stuff, or you can put your eyelashes in this. It's like that. I will wait, you know what, can you guys see? I mean, let me like zoom you guys in a little bit. I am going to put everything in this because I like to pack quite tight. I like to be very crisp with my packing, and I like to get the maximum I can out of everything I carry. So just a little bit about what I'm going to be doing there. I am going to, of course you've met my dog, right? So I'm going to go on the beach and I am going to play with him. We probably will be going for a little bit of trekking, and otherwise I think I would just be meeting friends and hanging out and just shooting videos overall. First, have in mind as to what is it that you're going to be doing so that you can pack according to that. That really eliminates all decision fatigue for me. I'm going to put everything in this, and something that doesn't fit in this and is not a priority one has to go. Because it's a very hot and humid weather, I feel like powders are very important. If you have been following me for a while, you know this is my ride or die. It's really affordable. I got introduced to it in 2015 after my pageant. My makeup artist would use like all these nice expensive products, and then he would use this 150 rupees ka dabba. And I asked him, he said this is like really good, and it indeed is. The shade is just right for Indian skin tones. It's got a little bit of peach. It's got a little bit of like just that little bit of warmth. Like it's not yellow, but it's not pink either. It's a flesh color. I think if you want to see this product in action, I have used it in almost every tutorial of mine. Go check that out. I'm going to be carrying it in this. This is okay, you know what guys, this is not a very glamorous packaging. Sometimes I feel like I shouldn't like do YouTube because all of this is not glamorous, but it works. This is very lightweight. It looks small, but this holds product that I can use like for a month. I mean, believe me, I have done one full movie schedule of 15 days just with this much of product. I have done shooting in that place, so I know this powder holds well in that. So this is my safe powder. Mel Stay Matte powder in the shade 01 transparent. I am going to be carrying this. Has like a very pale yellow kind of a tone. I love this because it holds up so well. This truly is matte. If you have oily skin, then do give this a try. This could be the answer to your problems. The only thing is it's started to crack. Like, you know, it's not a very good solid packaging, but it's affordable, it's easy to carry, you have a lot of product in there. I love it. And these two, I have used them in Vizag and they do hold up the climate very well. Now coming on to the products that I want to test how they hold. One is this Rimmel Match Perfection in transparent. I'm not like going to show each and every product in close up because this is not really a product review. This is just me packing, me telling you guys how I carry things. So I want to carry this, and I want to try this out. I also want to try this out. This is Maybelline Fit Me in Sand 20 light medium sand. I want to try that out. The dabba is inside in my storage. This is Bharat and Doris in the shade 07. A really good color for anybody who is Indian olive skin tones, if you catch my gist. Not yellow but not brown skin either, somewhere in between. This is the color for you, Bharat and Doris 07. So I want to like carry these 3 powders. Of course, the packaging, as you can see, is really bulky and it will not fit in this. So I have this dabba. Alright, so this is a dabba I bought from Minoso. There is one more on this. I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 and a dhakkan. That one broke. And there's a dhakkan on this, but I just leave it loose. I just use this for like patting, tapping and etc. So I have transferred these 3 powders into this, and I'm going to test out these 3 that I know how these 2 function, and this is going to be like my basis for comparison for these 3. Can you see how it kind of looks a little orangish? It's not just yellow. I mean, the name is sand, but it's got some orange tones, and I realized that only after I like put this in a transparent dabba. And this is Bharat and Doris. Can you see the difference in the shade? I mean, if you guys want like detailed reviews on these products, let me know. Bharat and Doris 07, Maybelline Sand 04. And this is Rimmel. It looked white in the dabba, but actually it's got a little bit of pinky tone to it. Okay, let me see if I can hold all 3 together and show you guys. Yeah, that's what they are. So I'm taking 2 guarantees and 3 for testing. Next thing I want to test out is this. This is my favorite foundation, Estee Lauder Double Camouflage. I'm in the shade 3C4 Medium Deep. It's gorgeous foundation. This foundation has actually won an award, I think in 2010, for being the best foundation to hold up in Mumbai climate. Since Mumbai and Vizag are both seashore climates, I am going to test this out. I am going to carry this primer, my trusted L'Oreal Base Magique primer. As always, this is always part of my kit. CC cream, Lakme in beige in that climate. I have worn this and it performs okay. I mean, it doesn't like hold the oil or anything in high humidity climate. I think my primers and my powders were the one holding it. This is okayish, but I'm going to carry it because, you know, I don't want to use this up. This is my favorite. I love you. Of course, this is my DIY face mist. How I make it, the link is in the description. Otherwise, it's called DIY moisturizing face mist. The next thing I'm going to carry with me is this. This is eye tape. You know, you can like just put it there. If you don't have it, not to worry. You can carry surgical tape if you don't have this. And of course, my kit wouldn't be complete without soap. This is what makes my eyebrows bulletproof all day. Soap brows. I love this hack. Whoever discovered it, if I ever get to know who discovered it, I would hug them and thank them and the whole shebang. This is Nivea Lip Care. Gotta have lip balm. Talking about humid climate, I have this Professional License by Benefit. It looks like this. I have it in the travel size. It's very small and cute. It's basically a blotting primer. I have used it in Hyderabad many times for shooting. I have not used it in Vizag though. Let's see. I'll use it there and let you know if the powders were able to hold up or if I had to. Because it's so small, I can just like, you know, pop it in my handbag and travel with it. Next, I love highlighters. So I have to feel highlighted at all times. Be it day or be it evening. This is my daytime highlighter. This is Shy Beam by Benefit. It's like this pinky, peachy, pale kind of highlighter. Again, really small in size. So I love that. It is of this color. Whatever pinky color you're seeing, it's exactly like that. So whichever area of your skin you apply it, it just lifts it and gives it like a lighter shade. So you're not highlighting by shimmer, you're highlighting by a lighter color, like a more peachier, pinkier, lighter color. Love it. Some blotting sheets. This is gonna go in my bag, but when I'm traveling with it in my purse, I'm gonna carry like 2-3 sheets like this into my handbag. Let's talk about brows. You can of course carry brow pencil and everything, but I'm just gonna carry this brow powder because it's really quick. And when I'm traveling, I really want to be as quick as, oh, my dog is here. Krish, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Okay, I want to be like as quick as I can. No. Baby. I have shown all the shades in a haul I did. If you want like a detailed review on this, let me know in the comments. I will do so. It's got like a really nice gray and a really nice brown. I like to mix these two and use them for contouring also. You like, it's an option, you can do that. I have not decided yet if I want to skip the Kat Von D palette. Where's my Kat Von D palette? Yeah, because this has a really good mirror, right? The mirror it has my dog is looking at it. The mirror, oh, I'm so sorry. The mirror it has is so nice and big, like I can get dressed with this. So I've not decided if I want to give this a skip, because if I have this, I can just contour with this. Now let's talk about sunscreen. Of course, you gotta have sunscreen. I'm gonna carry this. This is by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Touch. This is the only sunscreen I use, guys. I don't really have any options, so I don't have to decide there. Woohoo! No decision to make. Don't I love that? And for moisturizer, I'm gonna carry my trusting baby cream, Johnson & Johnson baby cream, because I'm a baby. No, because it has glycerin and I have dry skin, and glycerin really pairs very well with all kinds of, you know, climates. Go to part 2 to see my selection of concealers, lippies, mascaras, how I have placed the items inside the pouch. And tell me in the comments below if you like these kind of white backgrounds to show the products in, or if you like it when I'm like sitting on the floor and discussing with you guys. Let me know. And subscribe, please give me a like, and thank you. Oh, and you do you.